ebigabirwe harimu amabati 315, siminti 583, enyigi 38, amadirisa 56 kandi bigabirwe mu mashomero 12 omukoro gubira kitebe cya district ya Buhwejo
to improving standards z'amashomero.
Omukugabe ebintu ebi abebembezi bashabire bakuru b'amashomero okubikozesa je bebase kutungura amashomero gabo.
We request that you make the communities understand that the government is doing its work. The government is doing its work. Now, when we give you iron sheets, you don't expect us to buy for you nails.
And we expect you to use them properly. And as Leo has put it, we shall come and monitor and see what we have given you if you have used them properly. So, especially parents who have come, make sure that your head teachers actually put these things in use.
Dewa Thaire or chairman wentebe ya katano ashabire mukuru w'amashomero ku Rwanda Central omu mashomero agarukwebemberamu ecyari kugira ngo kigarwize nyime byo bwegese.
Cyo kubanza we are giving you cement kugira ngo tukore plastering y'ebizimbe bibisha kubi. Ecyaka tukore furuwa. Maze mu murembe gubwiro gushanga abana mbakitizo. Akuba namashaga abantu tubakigugabaha. Omuntu amasha nandaga guze kandi umuntu kurushanga tangirize atigerize nende ngwe niye gabuzere agato mwani ati ho gukumara nazatiye.
Bakuru b'amashomero basimira government okubijukaho
kwatira siminti enyigi na namadirisa ibyo kukinga isomero rya Kayonza kuba ebyo murembe nyenda kutwara mu gisogu okusima munonga district ya Buhwezo local government yebembirwe governor witu ahabukureba ngo habire inteka nungi yo kureba ngo amasomero gitu nagarebe kadye bakatwereze byo gakozesa
namunonga Buhwezo district government abo ibintu batureza namunonga amabati siminti enyigi madrasa ngitoka cha primary school tubara bintu bingi ngambo nyina futana mucyo basima namunonga government ya LC5 ibintu cyamani na DEO abutereze bintu.
Buhwejo district obwa hateye n'amashomero ga government ga primary 5 na 6 gasha kwa Juliet Charles Sima.